Hi, friends. I'm back with our Aviary of Whispers journal, and I did a video on 5 different ways to make pockets, and I was making pockets for this journal. And now we're going to go in and we're going to add our pockets and belly bands and whatnot, and make sure that we've got all the little tuck spots and stuff that we want before we make the rest of the ephemera to fill them. So I'm just going to start flipping through and I'm going to try to balance out what the bulk that I'm adding. I've tucked a couple things in here already. I'm not sure it's where I want them. So I'm going to go ahead and take those out and add those to the pocket repertoire. And let's see what we have here. I know that I love to do a belly band, and these are some specimen slides I made using 7 plazas. Vintage photo, I think is what it was called. But I think this could be really fun as a belly band. Question is, where do we want to put it? Oh, I kind of like it on the music paper. That's kind of cool, isn't it? All right, so that's an option. I'll put that there. I have this pocket that is a 5x7 Tim Holtz, great journaling space on the back. I'm going to paper clip it in. It's got this big pocket and these 3 little pockets. That could go here as well. Now it is made to be a little bit wider and just, oh, I do like it there. Okay, I think that's where that's going to go. It's speaking to me and I don't want to put anything quite that close together. We'll see what happens next. All right, this one. Or do we? See, now I'm indecisive again because I know that I want to put something on this because it's not a great journaling spot. Could work for that. It could work really nicely for this. It could work really nicely for this bag. Not that. I have this index card that I think is a really fun pocket that would work there as well. And I have 2 of those. The question is, I think 1 per page is enough. Is that a pocket or does that become belly band? I think it'd be a really cool belly band. I have this sunbird pocket. Oh, I think that might be the one, y'all. I love that. Oh, okay, that's what we're doing. Funny when the right thing just speaks to you. This is just made from some old book page and stickers from a Woodland Emporium, Woodland Adventures sticker book. I do still really think I want this. I don't know. What do you think about it here? Does it look funny attached to that one? I don't mind seeing it back there. I don't want to hide that page because it's so pretty. But it could go here, couldn't it? It would look pretty with that. You still get some of that page. Or it goes here. Where'd my paperclip go? Where I go, my cute little mushroom paperclip. I think I'm going to clip it at the top. Right there. Okay. All right. So that is 1. 2 pockets on this side. My sterling space. Maybe it'll be on the back of this one. To do something here, or I want to do something here because I really want to cover this up some. So what do we see? No, I don't love that. What about, does that cover? It doesn't really work either, does it? Okay, I don't think we have our answer yet for this page. I might still have to make something for that. So let's come back. Oh, you know what we could do with that? Random thoughts from Trish. I have these great big specimen card envelopes that I think we could make a big specimen card pocket here and cover it up there. That's what we're going to do. We're just going to tuck that right in here and we'll come back to that together. All right, so that would be 3, 3, 3. I want to leave this for journaling. I'm going to call this 4 because it's a nice big cardstock flip and it has a tuck spot here. So that's 4. Where's our middle? Okay, here's our middle. So 2. We've got the belly band here. 5. So one more something. Is it that? I don't think so. I think there. I think that could work. I don't love covering it all up, but I also don't love it with just one. I actually think I want to make another one of these that fits really well with this page. So I think we'll come back to that. Maybe. I could put a fun bird right there, though. That could be a pretty hidden page. Do some coffee dyed paper right there. No, I just don't love it there, but we're going to come back, I think, to make another one of those because I don't think anything I have here really works. Other option. No, I don't think we have anything that's going to work. So I'm just going to put this here and come back to that. All right, so we can work on the other half then. So what I like to do is look to where I put that decoration and flip to the other half of the signature, and we'll add something back. And we did, right? Because we have that one. Perfect. So then the next one is on the back, is the next sheet from the music paper. So I want to put something either on the music paper or, no, it's over here. We could do this one. Or we could do, no, it's either this one or it's this one. Going here. We may come back through and decorate that with a label or something later. I like to add those finishing touches once I see the book together, more than having it all decorated before I put them in. Okay, so then after that one, yep, and then after this book page and before the onion skin, we had the big specimen slide. Hit on that one. I don't want to cover all of this one up. I like both sides of this one. And this could be our spot. No, it's not. Maybe we leave it. We might decorate this. In this case, I think I want to do the back side of our bird page here. And I think this one will be, it's close enough, but I'm not feeling like I want to cover up the things I'm seeing here. We'll leave on the other side for journaling space, but I think could do that. Yeah. Oh, that didn't stick down very well, did it? Well, barely, Art. You normally dry faster on me than. And we could dress those pockets up a little bit with some stuff. Right, a little birdie for right here. All right, and then past that ledger page, we have this thing on this side. That's where I keep wanting to do something. Already got one belly band on this side, don't we? Do we want to do the pocket? We don't have a vertical belly band on this side. Could we? What else haven't we used? We didn't have anything that really worked for that. There. We've already got they. All right, so let's count from the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. That bending should be think we're going to put our butter. It keeps speaking to me, so we're just going to have to go for it. So one of those things I made a long time ago and forgot I had, and I was going through my stash to see what would go well with this kit, and these really spoke to me. April was week 1 and 2 was about making nature study slides and specimen slides, and so I had to dig into the specimen slide stash. Okay. Turtling space. What do we think about birds by the nests and the eggs? This one could be cute here, though, couldn't it? Or does it just go in a pocket? I know. Finish it up, Trish. It's just so hard when you love all the pieces. Did one layer. Yeah, I actually think I'm going to save some of this other stuff for another journal. And now we're going to find what we're going to stick in these cutie patootie things. What do I want to do with these? I still feel like there might be room for them in here somewhere. Where did our bird page? We don't. Oh, wait, this could work. I think that's what we're going to do. Because I was really wanting to hide him, and I don't have a horizontal belly band on this side. So I think that horizontal belly band is on the other half of the signature, so it should be pretty well spread out. That should help our bulk distribution too. And now I can still use these specimen slides as inserts. It may be that it tucks right back in there. I think actually that might be perfect. Let's see here. Trying to do this without scoring it might be a mistake. Let's see. Yeah, and I think once that's put together, we have something cute in there. That would slide down really cute behind that. I think perfect. We figured it out, didn't we? All right, and then this one, I think, could go in our horizontal belly band back here. Or in our envelope. Doesn't that color what? I don't like that this is getting bent up, and I don't. Definitely going to have to tack that down somehow so that it doesn't keep getting wrinkled. Or it could also just be cute in a pocket back here. Or where's our butterfly belly band? Going like that, even like that. I don't know. I'll figure it out. And it'll go in here somewhere with. I'm just not sure where yet. All right. Oh, we didn't put this one in, did we? Do you remember where we wanted to put it? This one isn't going to really work with another journal. I think it has to be this one, honestly. What's going on here? Yeah, let's do this one. Let's do that one. All right, then we're done. I'm not going to put this as a tuck. I want it to be a really strong hinge. And it's too narrow, I think, to actually be able to stably tuck anything in there. Oh, come on. Now you could make these shorter if you wanted to, and not a full page size. There we go. Yes, I love that. All right, there we have it. I'll come back when we're getting ready to tuck all these bad boys full. And then we'll finish our latch. I wanted to make sure that I left it plenty of room so that it didn't gator mouth. And I'll see you. Thanks for hanging out with me. And I'll see you in the next video, and we'll fill all the pockets and put on all the finishing touches. Again, this was April Storm Studios, Aviary of Whispers.